Unarc.dll returned an error code of 14. So if you're getting this error recently on Windows 10 or Windows 11, I'm here to help you fix the problem. So it may be happening while you're doing an update or a download of a new game or program. A lot of people have been getting this error recently with Spider-Man Marvel and then also with Fallout 4. So the reason this has happened is just because Windows 10 has done another update, and so that may be the reason that you're getting the error. So whatever game that you have or program, I want you to go over to the desktop icon on the PC and find the logo, and what I want you to do is right click on it and then click Properties. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to be running it as an administrator. And what you want to do is click on Compatibility up here under Properties. And then what I want you to do is run the program as the administrator right here. Then click Apply and then OK. And then see if you're getting that error. If you are, then this solution should work. You're going to go back and right click on the icon, the desktop icon of the program or game you're having problems with. Click Compatibility. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll back the version of Windows that you're doing. So what you can do is just click Compatibility, and then what I want you to do is run this program in the compatibility mode 4. You could choose Windows Vista, but with a lot of the newer games, I would just recommend running it as Windows 7. Click Windows 7, then click Apply, and then OK. And then try to run your program again. You might have to restart the computer. That's fine, but that should fix your issue. Now, if you've tried all that and you have the game installed, what I would recommend is just uninstall the game, and you do that by just typing in programs in the bottom left of the search, click on Add or Remove Programs, and then what you're going to do is sort by size, and usually the games and the big programs are on the very top. Find your game, click on it, click Uninstall, and then reinstall it. And then if you reinstall it, then that way it'll be more compatible with the newest version of the update of Windows. Okay, I do appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make a comment. Put in the comment section which game or program that you're having problems with. That way I know, and I can put that in the description. And then tell me which fix worked for you. All right, thanks again.